So we kind of pestered South El Monte that it was a good idea to save the old Starlite drive-in sign when they're redeveloping this site for housing. And it kind of looks like the developer agrees, and they're naming the property development Starlite. So that's pretty cool. This thing needs a lot of love. I guess it's gonna get completely rebuilt. And that's okay. It's like it was all made of salvage material in the first place. Little bits of it just sort of falling by the wayside. And the project is happening, so stay tuned. And when in South El Monte, check in and let us know what it looks like.